Write the standard form of the equation of the line that goes through the given points, -3, 2, and 0, -1. I think probably the easiest way to do this, because I want standard form, I think the easiest way to do this is start out with point slope form. And once I get point slope form, I can turn it into standard form. So what's point slope form? Point slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times a quantity x minus x sub 1. All right, you're going to label your points x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Now, before I even do anything, I need the slope. I don't have the slope yet. So the slope formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2 is -1 according to what I labeled, minus y sub 1 is 2, all over x sub 2 is 0, minus x sub 1, which is -3. So -1 minus 2 is -3, and 0 double negative becomes 0 plus 3, so -3 over 3 is -1. So my slope is -1. So now I could start putting this together. Okay, my slope is -1. I already labeled u x sub 1, y sub 1, so let's keep it. So I have y minus y sub 1, which I labeled 2, equals m, which is -1 times the quantity x minus -3. So there's a double negative here. Let's make that a positive. And now my job is to make this standard form. Standard form looks like ax plus by equals c. So basically what I have to do is I have to do a little bit of math, move the x and the y to the left and the regular numbers to the right. So let's distribute that -1 first, right? So that gives us -x minus 3 on the right and y minus 2 on the left. I need to move the x and I need to move the -2, so it doesn't matter the order. Let's add 2 to both sides. Let's just get rid of that. So I have y equals -x minus 1. And let's add x to both sides. Add x to both sides, cross u out. A positive x and a positive y is going to give me x plus y on the left equals -1 on the right. So technically, that's standard form. Is it pretty? Nah. But is it legal? Sure.